The House? Again,
So you're not sure.
again, no, I'm not sure actually. But why does that
Exactly.
matter? I'm curious. Kasi think about it. Whether they were consolidated or not, wala naman nakalagay na hindi pwedeng
Pero
i-consolidate.
that's my
Right?
point kasi. You're not sure about the things that you are saying. And you are
Are you
saying that the
sure ba?
Supreme Court is
Sige,
I'm
I'll
very
ask you that
sure.
question.
I'm very sure.
Na
When
ano,
I'm
na kinonsolidate or hindi?
ha?
Gentlemen,
Hindi
I
kinonsolidate.
mean, what's
Oh, yun. Okay. So di hindi. O anong punto mo?
I want to correct the wrong information that you are telling the people about the law.
No,
Yun
no, no.
kasi
The
yun.
question, sorry, sir. I don't mean to interrupt. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, yun yung punto ko doon. Kasi nga, the very
What
reason
was the
why nagkaroon ng hamon na ganito is for you to correct me and for me to correct you. And for the people to
Yep,
benefit from it. Right? That's why
absolutely.
I'm asking you those
And that,
questions.
okay.
Okay,
So with
sige.
regards to the consolidation, the question was, is it legal to consolidate or not? That was the
No, no,
question.
my question is, do you know consolidation and who does the consolidation? And yeah, who does the consolidation and what is consolidation?